Now, for our longtime subscribers, this is the FCR that we got from Luciano. We've used the EXUP and the carbs from it and the exhaust system. And what I wanted to do today, get out on the open road, get some miles on this. Guy did a tremendous amount of work on this bike, replacing the carbs, the airbox. We got rid of all the racing stuff, the loud exhaust, and it's now pretty much, I guess it would be fair to say, it's pretty much like it when it came from the factory, but the big one is that muffler. That muffler makes riding in these populated areas just absolutely a joy. And one of the reasons I love the FCR so much is, for me, the seating position. Now that I have the bars, and of course I've made a video of converting the bike to handlebars, at 80 years old, the bike is super comfortable to ride. Now that we have the EXUP, we've smoothed out the power, we've gotten rid of the flat spot that plagued it when it had the racing exhaust on it. And it's just become just a great bike to jump on and go for a 2-3 hour ride, shoot some pictures, shoot some video, come home and wipe the bugs off. And that muffler, thank you Luciano for that donation. Now, what's really funny here is the muffler, the EXUP muffler, the stock that comes with the bike, is so quiet you can hear the chain, the noise from the chain. I think that's pretty cool. Anyway, up in this area here, noise is not your best friend, especially if law enforcement is out in full force. And it's funny, I've had a lot of mufflers on this bike. I've had the Norton muffler, the full race muffler, the Noah EXUP, the different headers. And at this point in my life, and I realize not everybody's an old geezer like me, but at this point in my life, I do love cruising this area and not announcing to the whole world, here I come down the road, get a ticket ready. And it's hard to believe the relationship you develop with a bike after 15 years. And this bike and I have had a wonderful relationship. Track days, restorations. I've actually crashed it, and restored it. And every single part of it, to me, at this point in my life, just a wonderful set of great memories. And now that I've gotten back to where I enjoy riding this bike as often as possible, I have a bunch of other little upgrades I'd like to make to it. I want to put steel brake lines on. I want to get Michelin 6s on. These tires have some meat. We'll wear it out this summer, but I want to get a nice fresh set of Michelin 6s. And Guy's got the Robaconda. And it's really only the beginning of a bunch of other little things I'd like to do to the bike. But at the end of a ride, sitting out here in the gazebo, having a nice cup of coffee, and just eyeballing this up and thinking about 900 hours. I've got 900 hours into the restoration of this bike, and God knows how many miscellaneous things. And there's more to come in the future. And so I hope you enjoyed today's video, of course, and I hope you enjoy all the little adventures we have with the FCR. Now, if you're new to our channel, we have a very, very eclectic channel. One of the new features we have now is some of the videos are grouped into groups that you can access all the videos for one category in one mouse click. And it should be very convenient and very handy. Just check out the feature on the main screen playlist. And thanks to everybody for supporting the channel. We appreciate your support, and it makes this channel possible with all the things we do, the painting, the wheels, the polishing. And please take a second or two and hit the like button. And thanks everyone for watching.